Ayaba de saga wo. How una dey? Shey na Benin I really dey. I know sure say na Benin I come. First time I come Benin, money full every week. Second time I come Benin, money full everywhere. Because of deputy dey here, una no wan spray. No money for Benin again. If you know say you be confirmed Benin man and you are proud to be a Benin man, or you shout, Oba Otokpa, hey. No mix am for me. Leave the music before I swear for your family. Oh, you're listening well. This is not third time to be. My name is MC Danfo. I know sabi crack joke. Na music I dey sing. If you funny, you laugh. If you no funny, no laugh. And the same president they rule us. Every woman where they here, every girl where they here, and you are proud of your boyfriend, and you are proud of your husband, and you know say you sit down here, or you clap for the man you dey with. Before thunder fire you, before thunder fire you. Ayabadibidibi, ayabadabrabadabrabadam do it. I no go take time, I go hit am back to back. Any woman where they here, any woman where sit down here, you dey hide your phone password. Your husband no get your password. Your boyfriend no get your password. You get mine, they hide password. Your husband no get your password. I swear you are cheating on him. Thunder go fire you. Chineke kogogo. Thunder go fire you. Any woman where they hide password, tell me why you dey hide your password. If you need to cheat on your man, you sit down for here, you dey hear my voice they go, and you hide your phone password. Chineke kogogo. Women, any man where they here, any man where sit down here, you dey hide your phone password. Your wife no get your password. Your girlfriend no get your password. Your wife no get your password. Your girlfriend no get your password. You are protecting your family, oh. It go better for you. You are protecting your relationship. You go live long. Oh yeah, ayabadibidibi, ayabadabrabadabrabadam do it. I am a Zanzibar, ayabadibidibi segenwo. Oh yeah, hear me. This life where you see na two. Everything God create na two. Think of anything na two e dey. Na only one thing, 9 day 9. That is the planet where we dey. Every other thing na two. Oh yeah, make I give you now example. We get boy, we get girl, we get man, we get woman, we get up, we get down, we get hot, we get cold. Inside the earth where we dey live, now two people dey inside. We get living and non-living thing. It depends where you find yourself. I go use Lagos to crack the joke because I no believe very well. Anybody where they stay lucky, those people na living thing. Ikoroduo, no living thing. Some people don't they tell me waka o. I go use the thing do now. Anywhere I go with my mouth, if the place na better place, una go shout living thing. If na useless place, non living thing. Shey una dey ready? Make we sing am together. Oh yeah, lucky face one. Una go say living thing. Ikoroduo. What of Aja? You say living thing. Igondo. What of VIO? You say Ajegule o. What of Ikeja? Ikeja living thing. Ogogo where they stay o. No living. Banana Island unko. Make I ask Benin. No living thing. Well, living thing for Benin. Living thing, no they Benin again. Now before when money day, living thing day. Now everybody don't bro. See them, they don't they search themselves. They don't they search themselves. Bring money, make an add for money. Oh yeah, make we go the president. We don't rule Nigeria. Or the president for life. We don't rule Nigeria. Anyone we rule where? Una go shout living thing. Anyone we no rule where? Una go say no living thing. Oh yeah, Nnamdi Azikiwe, you say go on oh. What of Abacha? Oh yeah, Babangida Obasanjo. Oh yeah, Yaradua, Yaradua. Good luck, Jonathan Unko. Good luck, Jonathan Unko. Buwario. Buwario. Tinubu. Tinubu. No be my mouth to na go hear am. My president na living thing. No be my mouth to na go hear am. When they catch me for road, I no go dey. Oh yeah, I have a dibi, I have a da pra to win. If you want to have a good wife, do 5 things for your wife. If you want your wife to hear you, do 5 things for wife. If you want to have a good marriage, do 5 things for your wife. Oh yeah, number 1, always give your wife money. Repeat after me, women, always give your wife money. Oh yeah, number 2, don't forget to give her money. I say waiting, number 2, don't forget to give her money. Oh yeah, number 3, Oga, keep giving her money. I say number 3, you say, keep giving her money. Oh yeah, number 4, don't go out without giving money. Oh yeah, number 4, don't go out without giving money. Oh yeah, number 5, if the money finish, go and borrow money. Because women, they like money. If you don't get money, avoid woman. Women don't go edit them, then don't come on the men decide. The one way I talk for men, they don't go edit and come on online. Oh yeah, men, hear your own. Women, see what you go do for men. If you want to have a good husband, do 2 things for men. If you want your husband to love you, do 2 things for men. If you want your marriage to sweet, do 2 things for men. Oh yeah, number 1, don't ever love your husband. Now useless woman, 9 they love a man. No woman can love a man. Now man get right to love woman. Women, we don't need your food. You know sabi cook. We don't need your caring. You know they put money for our pockets. The first thing where a man need, the first thing where you go do for man. Madam, give your husband respect. Respect your husband. If he say sit down, madam sit down. If he say run, madam they run. If he say disappear, madam disappear. If I'm making sense, clap for me now. I have a people proper than to win. The second thing you go do for man, who they knock that thing and they come. The second thing you go do for man, any woman will do this one. Any woman will do number 2. Your family go be the best. Oh yeah, number 2, avoid our phone, no. Avoid our phone, no. May thunder no fire you. No be your papa get the phone. Waiting, you dey search for our phone. I swear thunder fire you. That thing where you dey find for the phone, I swear it dey inside. And if you see him, now you go cry. If you cry finish, you go your papa house. I have a dibi. I have a da do it. DJ, hold on. If you like, clap. If you like, no clap. They pay me complete. Please, I want to pray and I sign out. The level of cheating in Nigeria now is too much. And now women with the problem. They carry on from last year, enter this year. So I'm going to pray and I want the men to give me amen. Any woman where they here, you they cheat on the man where carry you come outside. Thunder go fight you. Any woman where they here, you they deceive the man where he sit down with. You get somebody else where he loves somewhere. Amadio go strike you. Somebody is saying, Papa, ride on. Any woman where they here, you they use Amarachi Ngozi, they store another man number for phone. May you not answer any better call this year. Any woman where they here, you know all the price of hotel for Benin. Oh, Google kill you. Women, your turn to answer amen. Any man where they here, you they cheat on your wife, or you've ever cheated on your wife, or you are planning to cheat on your wife, you be man, you they use mechanic for organizer, they store another woman number for phone. You be man, you know all the price of hotel for a Benin. You be man, you go say you won't go peace, carry phone number, go give another woman. You be man, you buy motor, you need a Greek carry man. Now woman, they ask, are you going my way? Any business you put your hand this year, I pull my shoe, I stand with my best foot. As far as you have ever cheated on your wife, or you are planning to cheat, anything you find this year, God go bless you. God go favor you. Thank you very much.
On that fire, you for all the lies you told me. On that fire, you for away.
DJ, bring it up, no time. Asaba, where did they play? You can come on my glass, man, see you now. I see us all of on a fresh like seafood. Oh, Bob. I don't like the one and not clap for me. Now because of when I wear this white jeans. I know they carry wear white jeans, either I wear black or blue. But I wear this white jeans and I'm supposed to know say I'm very intentional in this Asaba. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. FX! Wow. Now, wow. I thought I really call your calls. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. Wow. Thank you for clapping. You will not suffer with pain. But many years ago, I don't come here to perform other things. So, if you know, you know. That Orchid Hotel still exist. Orchid Hotel they exist. Now be smart in my eye see for that hotel. One useless boy when a friend, one Asaba boy. Oh! Action they talk say with a form, with a love, momu love and a love. Boy, why go cash the shit? Now me go beg her. I see noodles for a phone. Nude, breast. It's a breast cancer patient when they pray for. Are you a pastor? Are you liquid metal? At the school for Benin, I go call here for night, come meet man. Give her all my school fees. It's not in my eyes, see. Thank God, say God, use the case she could take console me. Because if I not marry well before, it will pay me. But nothing sweet reach where your ex not make her. The idiot never see make it in now. They are he can never make it. The day when I say I go break up with her, and that day when he carry me go club, we there for club with the dance. Now I say I go peace. Wow. He can never, my ex can never stay table. Now wow. My ex not fit stay table. You know people afford regular, right? Nah, no tell the talk. I need to swear for him. Carry me reach the club finish. I say make I go piss. I come back, they collect one girl number. Now I tell and say, you are disrespecting me. I just say make I go piss. Why they collect girl number? He says it's not what you think. I don't need to think. I wait till I see. Now first I say let's go. Because say sorry, I don't answer her. We enter motor with the drive, they go. He says sorry, I don't answer her. Normally, to know whether man's serious, he must tell you sorry reach 3 times now. Nothing. I say stop this car, I'm done. You know say the idiot park. I say back off, first catch me. I say no, I be old Warri. Now come on, sit better. Come down. You know say the idiot drive go. As I stand for there, I look my right, nobody. I look left, only one. I shower at the end of the street. Go one killer. Now the guy could drive, they come back. As the idiot they drive, come back. I say hey, no, you leave me now. As he drive, come back, wind down. Now he say take you, forget your purse. Now he drive, turn, go carry the ashawo go. Use ashawo replace me. Now I break up with him. But thank God say last, I'm married well. To marry Igbo man? If you're not married to an Igbo man, you are not married. I'm sorry. And I not friend Igbo man before, the one when I friend I married. Igbo kwenu? Una too much. I've been married for 11 years. I don't get one issue to say I won't leave marriage. If you dare here, you marry Igbo man, and you don't get problem, you don't get it cold. Make I explain that for you. Pour my glass for me. Igbo man, they're very cheap. They need only 2 things. 2 things. And I want to know, respect and fuck. That is a good place to clap. Igbo man need only 2 things. Respect her. Not the follow they argue. Shut up your mouth. Listen to them. The way Bible they talk, a man is the head, you are the neck. Yes. Respect her. The fuck kamu. Igbo man, I like fuck pass for this country. You know say the day when you get to papa die, you fuck. Error. We there so during pandemic, now they call from big village say, if papa don't die, he can call the crowd, they console him. Give her food in our shop. Night call rich, we say make we sleep. I call Olam, you know that kind of normal Olim. The next thing, so they shook me. I said, wait till they shook me. I don't want first pay attention to them because I don't believe the person will die. What fuck? The next thing carry up for my breast. I say, wow. I say, okay, don't touch breast now. That breast, eh? They swear. You understand, Abi? Your G-spot. Breast. Wow. Who be the Wale where they call to Wale since? At this table. Where you lodge? Now I say, okay, make I just give her. As I give her finish, they do. The time when Ikeshuku won't just come, now papa goes appear. Say, oh, SMH! My useless song. Igbo man, too sweet. My next life I go marry Igbo man again. No, I know the joke. Because if you say I'm not happy for marriage, I go funny. I'm not funny now. My colleague, they talk just now, say, country ad like brokosu. Shout out to Inda Boski, the liquid metal. We use, what do you use? Shaker. A bit of shaker, bring dollar, go down small. Our savings account, now they save us again. The country is turning on its own. Bobrisky win best dressed female. Portable the shout, Brotherhood. All wood na wood though. You see brotherhood go sisterhood, you know what I see for them. When I tell no say you don't quote there for this country, and when my head pack go borrow money for Pampe. I just did my own, I received text. A chronic debtor named Chief Krobanos is on the run. He dropped your name, address, and number. If he does not pay, we know you are innocent. We don't want to tarnish your image. We will disgrace you online. I said, my own destiny helper, chronic debtor. Now once I call him, I say, Chief, something funny just happened. They are using your Pampe. You need to sue them. They use your name till they want due people. And they talk to her and all the answer and all the Brits are there. I said, sir, are you listening to me? He said, it is swear. Now they are telling us, say it all red. Now once I go learn how to all rain. Yes, now you need to learn another trade. Which day, yes, social media glitch. They say social media want off, and I need to go carry my result to go define work. I learn how to ore, not be 2.5 I pay. With egg, to serve juju. Now, rainy season. If you want to do any event, rainy season, not fair. I'll cash out. Don't worry yourself. My joke don't finish. Now this photographer, they just say he hide all rotting. If he die, he hide rotting. I hate photographers. If you now realize, when I do my anniversary, my 10 years dream wedding, I not post video, I post a picture. I know the reason why. Because photographers like this. Videographer. My marriage beginning to end, that first wedding, that one where we say we rent cake. We rent cake, she go wear coat of arms. Can't marriage with that one. We can't money where they spray us. 9-2. Dance on that song.